Yeah, hello children. This is class 8 ICSC syllabus, chapter number 5, exercise 5A, and squares and square root chapter. Okay, so this is a question number 6. In the previous video, we have completed up to 5 questions. Now in this video, we will complete few more sums. So this is a question number 1 from the 6th bit. So square root of 14.4 by 22.5. So children, this kind of questions, directly we can remove the decimal because it is in one decimal point. This is also in one decimal point. Or else if you want, you can go with the removing and taking denominator 10 and removing this decimal and taking numerator 10. So instead of that, directly I am going to cancel and going to remove the decimal. Okay, so I'm just removing this and rewriting the number. Now I can find out. Okay, now this is anyhow 12 by 15. Children, up to 30, better you remember, read them and learn them perfectly. Up to 30 square roots, as like square root of 144 12, square root of 225 is 15. Okay, if you want, you can check in the rough work also by doing 2 table, and this one as 2 by 5 table. You check it and find out. Okay, this is the first question. And the second question is square root of 0.225 by square root of 28.9. Okay, so here children, okay, evaluate, he said. It's not completely square root. Let us complete this answer, children. 15 you divide by 12. Okay, 0.12 eights, 15 eights are 120. So 0.8 is the answer. First one. And the second one is, here how many decimal points are there? 3. Here how many are there? Only 1. So we can make it equal first. How can we do it directly? Square root of 0. So 0.225 by 28.9. See, after decimal we have 3 digits, here we have 1 digit. So we can write 2 more zeros to make equal decimal points. Okay, now we can convert them into, I can remove the decimal after conversion, and now this will be 225 by 200 and no 28,900. This becomes, okay, now this we can write as 225. Now here I will explain, as it is a bigger number in denominator. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 nines are 45, 3 threes are 9. Okay, next 2800. This we can write as, this is RHS children. This is rough work, always right side work. Okay, 225 by 289 into 100. Okay, we can write like this. Okay, so that we can make it easy, the solution procedure. So 225, how can we write? 5 into 5, 3 into 3. Okay, so this can be written as square root of 25 is 15 into 15 by 289. 289 is nothing but 17 17s are 17 into 17. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Okay, now this is square root of 15. Now make them, put them in bracket. Square root of 15 into 15 means 1 5, and here 1 7 into 10. Okay, yes. Now, so now we can cancel 5 threes are 5 twos are. Okay, what is this? 3 by 34. Now 3 you divide by 34. Okay, 0.0. We need one more 0. Okay, now you can divide 300 by 34. So 3 by 24 you divide by 34. Okay, whatever you get, either you write decimal form or fraction form. And next question is third question. Square root of 25 by 32 into 213 by 18. It's a mixed fraction. This is 0.25. Okay. So children, here question number 4. Sorry, question number 3 in the sixth bit. So square root of 25 by 32 into 213 by 18 into 0.25. Okay, so now 25 by 32, 25 by 32, I will convert the mixed fraction into improper. 18 twos are 18 twos are 36, 36 plus 13 49 by 18 into, I can remove this decimal and I can write as 100 in denominator, right? Okay, so now we will convert them into prime factors. 5 into 5, and here I am just going to write in the one fraction, as in one fraction. 25, 5 into 5, 49, 7 into 7, 25, 5 into 5. Okay, next denominator least even number, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes children, you just multiply 32, 32 we will convert by 2. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Okay, so next 18. 18 how can we write? 2 into 3 into 3. 9 2s are 18. Okay, next again 100. 100 how can we write? Directly I can write 10 into 10. Anyhow it's in a prime number, but yes we can write, because square root only we have to find. See, I'm just making them in one bracket. 100 factors, 18 factors, these are 32 factors. Okay, so our main motto is to find the square root. Now square root, here again I'm putting them in bracket. Okay, and we'll make the pair of two numbers. Pair of two numbers, yes we got. So what is the number? 5 7 5 by, this is 1 2, this is another pair 2, this is another pair 2, and 3 and 10. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25. Yeah, we can cancel also here children. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Okay, 5 sevens are 35 by 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are how much? 48 is the required answer. Okay, I guess you can do the last fourth one also like this only. Okay children, we'll start the next bit. Question number 7. So evaluate same procedure. 24, convert them into prime factor. 3 into 3 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 3 8s. First I am just splitting. Now I can go with the least prime. 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? Yes. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many pairs I can write them? 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Okay, 3 pairs. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 threes are there. How many pairs I can write? How many pairs? 3 pairs. Okay. Now square root no. 1 we will pick out from that. 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So what is the answer? You just multiply all these. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. 27 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 twos are 16. 216 is the answer. Okay, children? Yes, second question. This bit, second problem. So here also, for first we will expand 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 2 into 3, 3 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, 3 to the power 5. Yes, next 0.5 removing, I am writing as 10, and 0.5 it will become very big, but even though we will try to solve in easy way. So 2 into, so we can make them in bracket. Okay, so 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 to cancel. Okay, next now square root of 1 2 3 pairs, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2. Okay, now I can pick out 1 2 3, 27. 3 into 3 into 3 by 2. Answer is how much? 27 by 2. You can divide and write, or you can write 27 by 2 as it is. Okay, children? Yeah, third one you try. Fourth one, fifth one. Fifth one I will explain you. Third and fourth you try. Fifth one I'll complete in this video. What is fifth question? Yeah, I'm just rewriting the question, children. Square root of 144 is 12. Okay, you can also do and check. Okay, next. Here again, I just removed this root and I have written the square root of 144 as 12. Now, 248 as it is I am writing, I am just adding them. How much this is? 5 and 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Square root of 64. Now I am going to remove this root. So square root of 248 plus square root of 64 is how much? 8. Okay. Now this is how much? Square root of 8 plus 8, 16, and 256. 256 square root is how much? 16. You can check 256 by doing division by LCM method 2 even prime. Okay, this is fifth bit completed. Third and fourth bits also you try, children. If you didn't get, please comment in the video. I will explain you. Okay, children. So here I completed in this video only two bits, sixth bit and seventh bit, in which I left, I guess, 2 to 3 problems. You practice all these sums. I hope you all understood. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Maths Teaching Video. Thank you.